It is 3:24 a.m. and we have our stuff packed and we're going to LA in a few minutes here. So okay then, let's see what's left. Ice chest, okay, ice chest, here be the ice chest. We are in LA.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I'm pretty tired. Want some butter? Awesome, thank you.
Thank you.
Perfect. Butter for me. I'm glad I came with hash browns. I really wanted hash browns. We came to LA to trade this car for a newer, better car. So, say goodbye to the Civic. So, we are the proud owners of a 2013 Prius.
No, we bought an old Prius.
That's right, we bought an old Prius. That means it has character, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, the character is this. The AC works and there's no hole in the door. We were looking for a restaurant and almost all the restaurants are closed at 3 p.m. on a Saturday. And then we stumbled across this restaurant. It's called New Fusion. Oh, so we stumbled across this one. It's called New Fusion and it's straight up like Kanto food. So Pig's like, all right, Ryan, it's all you. So now I'm ordering the 檸檬可樂, or in this case, just 可樂, because there's no 檸檬, and a 凍奶茶. And then 我叫咗個肉粉伊麵, 伊粉肉醬伊粉, and 佢叫咗個滑蛋蝦 something 滑蛋蝦炒麵. 呢個係肉醬伊粉. I hope I'm saying that right. I don't know. Now it's time to sit in traffic with Pink and Ryan. On the bright side, no complaints from me. The AC is strong. Yep, no complaints from me. Well, check back in later.
Is it good?
Oh boy! Oh, actually it's not bad.
How about you listen away from me? Good.
Okay, hot tub time.
Hello.
Hey.
A hot tub feels nice.
We were gonna call it a night,
But first, some food.
but we found some Cajun food, so let's go eat. We made it to Boil Daddy, but instead of getting a boil, we got fried shrimp and some rice and some sausage. So hopefully it's yummy. We went swimming, so now we're hungry, so should be good.
Yeah, no.
Sweet. Good morning.
Good morning.
We are leaving the hotel and going to a special store. So we'll see you there. So it really is a Costco for Asian groceries. It's like ranch on steroids.
Yes.
We already got our Ichiran ramen and some hot flakes. That was like the first 10 seconds of being in here. And now we're in the instant noodle aisle. I think I want this flavor. Is it yakisoba? Yeah, I want like 2 of these. This is bad. Alright, now it's been 2 minutes and we have that. Guess we could just try something while we're here. How much is this one? Priceless.
Thai or Malaysian?
Sure thing, let's try this. We have been tasked with trying to find beef tripe. Good luck to us, because we don't know what it looks like.
It's the white one.
Lamb, duck, duck, quail. Okay, this is a little bit challenging. That's not it. The beef tripe was right there. We just didn't know it yet. We found it. But you said it's a big pack. Oh, is that tripe too?
Yeah. Can you take a picture and send it to me?
Yeah. So this is tripe. And this is also tripe. That's confusing. And then, is that also tripe? No. Lamb tripe though. That's lamb tripe. Although I think we're looking for frozen tripe. I bet Peg found the tripe. One of these guys?
Yeah, can you look at one of these guys?
Okay, it's not that big. Alrighty. How do I look
What
at
does it say? How much is it?
it? It says shredded omasum. This is beef tripe.
Yeah, I think that's probably what my mom's.
Let's just get this.
Okay,
Probably wants
let's
this.
get that.
We found the tripe. We found the tripe. We got a bunch of stuff. Jasmine tea, instant tea, snack chips, curry, a pan, lots of sauce bottles, little sauce cups, beef tripe. We found the beef tripe, and yeah. Anything else? We are in Gilroy, and I think the adventure is almost over. But I would say LA and back with the car in 36 hours. Okay.